guys, Freezing here. Today we're going to be doing a bike check. But not actually a regular old bike check. I thought, where's the dumbest place you can do this bike check? How about on top of a shed? So, we're on top of a shed right now. Yeah. So, let's go, I guess. I'm just going to lower the tripod. And, yeah, let's get, I don't know if I can speak English, I guess. Let's get into the video. So, my bike is a kink BMX bike. I have a kink Gap XL. It's 2019. I got it last year. Yes, I didn't obviously get this bike custom made. It is a complete bike, but there are some parts that I put on myself. I'm gonna go over the parts. Heads up, I don't know the names of every part on this bike. I'll try my best, but yeah. So I'm hoping you guys can see me well. So let's start with the front, I guess. We got a pair of kink. I think the kink Ace grips is what it looks like. It looks like they, well, obviously they say kink Ace. So it's a pair of kink Ace grips on here. I believe they're pretty nice grips. I am planning on getting a new pair because these ones are kind of fading a little bit, but yeah, I've gotten like a year out of these grips, so they're pretty nice. I believe these are the kink. Oh, I'm trying to think of the name of them. I'm sorry. Kink. I think they're the kink. They're like the kink Ultimate bonds, Pro bonds. There's something like that. I think they're the kink Ideal bonds, actually. Yeah, I believe that's what they're called. The kink Ideal bonds, I believe. Yeah, I have the kink Ideal bonds. I don't know what these are. I'm assuming they might be kink Buffalo bars. I don't know, but they have Buffalo sticker on it, so I don't know. For my headset, I run a top load stem. It's a kink stem. I have a kink compression bolt, whatever you want to call it. For forks, the kink, I think they're kink stalker forks, I believe. Sorry if I'm butchering the names of these, but let's just say kink forks. They're some type of kink forks. Yeah. And then up in the front, my hubs are Mission hubs. I have, for the front, I got a kink peg, a Mission hub guard, and yeah, let's get on to the frame. For the frame, I can't think of the size I run. This is a really unprofessional bike check, if you will. I have a kink frame, really nice frame, obviously. I have kink 170mm cranks, really nice cranks. I have kink plastic pedals, which they're nice. I have a Mission sprocket, Mission chain. I have a kink brake cable. I have a Mission brake. Yeah, the brakes, they work. It might just be the way I have them set up, but I would prefer them to be a bit better than what they are, but hey. For some reason, someone just parked in front of our driveway. I don't know why, but let's just keep rolling, I guess. Maybe they're probably wondering, why the hell is there a kid on top of a shed with a bike? But yeah, in the seat department, we got a Mission, actually, we have a kink seat. I almost called it a Mission seat. No, we got a kink BMX seat. Don't ask me what kind of kink seat it is, because I don't know. I really don't. I have a Mission seat post. Yeah, in the back I got another one of the kink pegs, a kink universal drivetrain. Oh, not drivetrain. Kink universal hub guard. We have Mission. We have kink tires, Mission hubs, I believe the Mission rims. So yeah, overall, really, really nice bike. This is a really, really, really unprofessional bike check. I may make another one of these, but right now I just kind of want to get a video up on the channel. if it looks like I'm kind of rushing this video, I'm sorry. I kind of am. I'm just trying to stick to my schedule a little bit. It is a Monday, but I want to start uploading more, at least once a week, if not twice a week. I'm striving for that because I left this channel dormant for a month, and my views are still pretty good. I was getting 30. I got 35 on my vlogs, and my last two have hit right around 20, which is not bad, but still, I wish I didn't like leave the channel for a month. But yeah, I get, that's kind of me. I left the channel for a month. I don't really know why. I just did. But hey, here on the Freeze Gamer channel, we strive for semi-decent content, possible content. Now we're gonna drive this off the roof in the shed, and no, we're not. No, we're not gonna drive this off the shed. But yeah. Getting this up here wasn't that much of a pain. Getting it down is gonna be. I don't want to throw it into a I probably should have thought of how I'm gonna get the bike down. But yeah. I really don't know how I'm gonna get this bike down. But yeah. It's me, Mario, and today we will be filming an outro. Yay! Wait, did I say Mario? I mean Freeze Gamer. And I sound like a female because this Mario impression does not exist. It's me, Mario. Okay, we're done. We're done with that. We are done with that. that was not a Mario impression. That was just I don't know what that was. Okay, that was me screwing around with this really cool Mario amiibo. So yeah, I'm just filming an outro. Time's passed. It's the next day because I'm about to edit this video and post it. Just wanted to say thank you guys for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for showing your support. And especially because I did take a break for a month a while back. I'm glad to see that you guys are still watching the videos and still enjoying it. One way, I'm sorry, I know every YouTuber says this, and I know it's so common, but what I was going to say was, if you guys want to support the channel, the best way to do that is to like, subscribe, and drop a comment, and give me some video ideas. Because who knows, maybe I'll actually make it. And shout out to Double Trouble and Rosie Floyd. Happy birthday as well, guys. I know your birthday was yesterday. I said happy birthday to you guys yesterday, but here's another birthday present. Giving you guys a shout out. Go sub to them. And shout out to Logan Statskowitz. Sorry if I said your name wrong. That's his actual channel name. Go drop him a follow. If he posts more after this, that would be a good thing. I don't know if he will, but yeah. And shout out to Tom. Goes up to him as well. And yeah, just wanted to say, remember, all of you guys, stay safe out there, and yeah, stay humble, stay kind, and be nice to each other. All right, guys, peace. And what did I say? Hot Wheels, sponsor me. If you want to do a deal, call me, so I don't spend too much money collecting you. You are expensive sometimes. Call me.